What's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Stock. I almost said Stock Up with America, like I'm a superhero. Stock Up with America. All right, let's get right into it. We got a lot of things popping off today. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. Palantir is popping. Bitcoin was surging last night on some positive news. Let me just cut this off. Let me get right into it and get you guys going on your day. Testing, testing. Yes, good morning. Good morning. Yes, yes. Yep, let's get those coffee cups in the chat. Good morning. Great cup of coffee. All right, let's get right into it. Okay, let's get right into it. All right, so let's start with Bitcoin. You guys do know that this is brought to you by Stock Up You. Stock Up You will be the second link, okay? The second link below, Stock Up You. Listen, come join me. Learn how to make money. Spend hundreds and make thousands and then tens of thousands, okay? Learn how the parachute works first, all right? Let's get right into it. Here we go. So look at all of the crypto that's popping. I'm going to get to Palantir and all of that. We had some positive news. Bitcoin rallied on the news that there is no more rate hikes. Okay. One of the things that we have to understand is that Bitcoin does not fare well. Crypto does not fare well with high interest rates. So when the interest rates cool off, so the Fed said on yesterday that there were going to be a pause. Matter of fact, I have a few notes here. Bitcoin rallied on news that there was not going to be another interest rate hike. So we had 2 months of pause. Okay. It hit a resistance. Let's just go right into that. Okay. Let's just go right into it. Let's look at crypto and then I'll get into stocks this morning. Okay. So crypto, as we can see, everything is green, 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 green. You name it, it's green. All right. We see Flow, Avalanche, Mana up 14%, Solana up 13.5%. ADA, Cardano is us popping 7.7%, right? Link, Doji, or Doji, as y'all say. All right, let's just look at some things here, right? So by the day, we could see that Ava's up 15%. Solana, look at that, up 13.5% in a day. Look at that. These are some of the by the amount of percentage that they are up. Okay. So we could see what's going on and what's up the most. Solana is killing it. All right. So let's go to Bitcoin because Bitcoin is driving it all. What is this? I don't want to join for free. Come on, come on, come on. Stop it. Leave the page. All right, let's go. So last night, what happened with Bitcoin is it hit resistance at 36 right here. Look at that. No, that's not right. Come on, come back. All right. Sorry, good people. Going live. It's all the way live. There we go. All right. So we could see that last night, I was watching it last night, and we see that it hit resistance right here at 36. You guys see that? Hit resistance right here at 36 K last night, right? So let me just go here. And here's where it was. 36 last night is where Bitcoin popped, right? For those of you that don't know about crypto, crypto trades 24/7, right? And so it ran up really, really nice. Now, I know some people are going to say, what about the crypto mining companies? I have a warning for you. What about the crypto mining companies? Okay, let's put in, as my boy Zip Trader say, Mara, lovely Mara. All right, so Mara, let's look at this. Mara, look at that. Popped up 5.16%. Look at that. It closed at 8.92. And currently, at the time of filming this, it is 9.38. It went up, but it peaked just like Bitcoin did. Now, let's go back to Bitcoin. And you see, we got a retracement. So it ran up, right? And then there was a big retracement, okay? So one of the things I want to show you guys is that we have to be ready for what? With Bitcoin and all of crypto, a retracement, okay? That is what is normal with crypto this time of the crypto phases. This is normal, what's happening, all right? There's always a run up and then retracement. Now, Bitcoin can continue to run up. It can turn around, rebound, and run back up if it breaks above 36,000, and then it's going to continue to run up. But we have to be ready. I got to be honest with you guys. Right now, believe it or not, I'm just going to say this, that I am looking, as far as Mara and Riot, I'm actually looking for put options, meaning I'm looking for a retracement, okay? We're going to trade the market that we're in. I'm looking for a retracement in Mara, Riot, Hut, CleanSpark, those type of deal. So I'm looking for a slight pullback, even if for a day or two, right? So keep your eyes out for that. That's what's happening, okay? And then where are we? Hey, let's get those likes up, all right? Let's get those likes up. Let's go to Palantir. Boom. Look at Palantir. Palantir is absolutely killing it right now. Right now, Palantir is up 18%. Absolutely killing it, okay? Earnings are doing their thing, okay? Look at that. Look at that. So Palantir, we'll get into it. I want you guys to see everything that's going on with Palantir. I'll make that video later today. Look at that. Look at that. Palantir projects revenue above estimates on demand for AI platform performance. So listen, guys, I was telling you guys just a few videos ago that Palantir was on my radar for defense. I was telling you guys that I got a few shares of Palantir because I expect it to go up. And I know a lot of people was like, yeah, their earnings are not going to be that good and blah, 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 blah. But I have strong convictions with Palantir. If you guys remember that just a few days ago, put a 1 in the chat. I'm going to steal that from my man. Put a 1 in the chat. What's popping also this morning is Starbucks. Starbucks is absolutely killing it this morning. Look at that, up almost 11%. Starbucks is killing it. Now, for those of you that listen to me, and I'm suggesting to you guys to buy, if you are drinking Starbucks, I suggest that you buy Starbucks. Every time you go and buy a cup of Starbucks, buy a piece of Starbucks, okay? I'm just telling you that it is a good thing, a good practice. Buy Starbucks. You go to Walgreens, buy Walgreens. You got an Apple phone, iMac, iPad, buy Apple. You guys get it. Just make it part of your weekly bills. Pay yourself first. Invest in yourself first. Buy the class. Invest in yourself first. It's going to make you money, okay? It's going to make you money. As simple as that, all right? So I'm just telling you guys, another thing. If you don't know how to set a stop loss, if you don't know what the Dow, S&P, and none of this is, then you should not be doing options. And I'm saying this for those of you guys that are in the Discord. Make sure you take the class first, okay? Make sure you take the class first. Learn what you're doing. You're going to make money. Like it's like, listen, learn what you're doing first and you're going to make way more money, all right? So listen, I just want to put this in the way. Listen, tickets are selling, okay? Over half of this event is selling. Come and join your boy. For those of you that are in LA or want to come to LA, we are doing a meet and greet. All of us. You see, Stockmo, we got guest Chris Sane, we got Keenan Grace, Stocks with Josh, and myself. We're all bringing our A game. We are raising money for charity. Now, I want to shout out Keenan Grace right here in the middle. Keenan Grace literally is paying for everything. everything. Tens of thousands of dollars he's paying for this event out of his pocket. And listen, all of us are chipping in with any of our feet. We're flying down, we're getting hotel rooms. We just want to meet and greet you. But I got to shout out Keenan Grace. He is killing it. He's the real deal. He's what I like. I'm bringing a check. Not only am I coming, I'm bringing a check. The other guys are giving money. And I just want to tell you that not only is the proceeds going, but the cost too. We want to give them a fat check, okay? We're going to give them a fat check, all right? So this is what we want to do. These are some of the charities. Where is that? Is that in here? Well, we got some of the charities that are listed that we are going to give children with cancer, okay? That's what we want. There we go. To benefit the Childhood Cancer Foundation, okay? That's what we want to do. We want you guys to come pack the place out and let's rally together around a positive cause. Did I get everything? Let's look at the pre-markets right now. All right, the pre-markets. Look at this. Dow is already up 200 points. The S&P is up. NASDAQ is up. Now, I'm going to end by saying this. The Fed had his meeting yesterday. And I always tell you guys that is the most dangerous time to trade. But I will tell you that I make money every time. It's very risky, so I really don't share those plays. It's extremely risky. I don't want to put you guys at risk, all right? You guys know how it goes. I could share it with you guys, and I could make money 10 times and lose money one time. And if I lose money one time, the trolls will be out like, Larry don't know what he's doing. Like I'm 100 out of 100. Like I'm better than Warren Buffett. Like I'm better than like everybody else. It just doesn't work that way. The reality is, and I'm going to say this, take your money and chop it up into bite-sized pieces. Don't try to get rich on the stock market. Don't put all your money in one investment. Don't try to treat it like it's a table in Vegas. It's not, okay? And no one, and I mean no one, wins 100%, right? So I just want to leave it at that, get you guys going today, and hopefully I brought you guys a lot of information. Now, I expect that soon this market will turn around because of what has happened the last 10 FOMC meetings. Because of what happened the last 10 FOMC meetings. Just like I've been saying, and if you listen, you could have made money. I always say the day before, you know what happens. The morning of, this is the hint that you don't even have to wait on me. You can make your own plays and make money. You could play the Qs. You can just buy TQQQ. You can just buy the Qs. You can buy stock. The morning of, it goes up, right? While the Fed is talking, it goes up. So while he was talking, it went up. And if he's hawkish, meaning that he's talking very like, I'm going to continue to raise rates, then it comes down. Yesterday, he was sounding very dovish to me. So when he's dovish, the market may come down while he's talking, but it comes back up. And so that's what I was looking at. And that's what I want you guys to know. If you've seen me go live and explain this and understand this, put a 1 in the chat, please. Just put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the comments if you're watching this after the broadcast, because we're here, to help you make money. But remember this, it takes time for the market to decipher all of this information. So we won't know what the market truly think of the Fed pausing for the second time. We won't know what the market truly thinks about this until later this afternoon. So don't let this market right now in the morning fool you. All right, I'm just telling you, you've been warned if there's a reversal. If it goes up, then we're going to trust the market that we're in. All right, good people. Hey, I'm going to leave it right there. This one's at 14 minutes. I love every one of you guys putting a 1 in the chat. Francisco. You guys remember Elf? Francisco. All right. I like Elf. That's my joint. I'm sorry, y'all. Yes. Put a 1 in the chat. I appreciate all of you guys. I'm sorry, I got to keep it moving. I got some traveling to do, and I will come back at a later date and say hello to all of you guys. You guys know I love you guys. You guys know you're not just a number to me. You are people. You are my family. And family, I want to help you continue to make money. Just do me a favor and continue to share this page, okay? And in closing, remember to let's sell this out. Let's sell this out, okay? Let's just go ahead and sell this out. And especially if you're in LA, listen, you're gonna be saying, I wish I would have had just pulled the trigger. Well, go ahead and pull the trigger right now and meet us all. We are all bringing our A game. Come hang with us for a half a day. All that day, we're looking at from 3 to 7. Just come hang with us. You can come and ask me anything. I'm gonna answer it, anything. And then last but not least, listen, good people, the price is going up. I know I've been saying the price is going up. You keep saying, Larry, you keep saying the price is going up, but it hasn't gone up yet. I'm waiting on you, because when I do raise the price, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. So make sure that you come join Stock Up You. I paid thousands of dollars. I paid probably over $7,500. $5,000 on a course, and then $10,000 with some friends back in the day. And I'm giving you guys everything I know for hundreds. Okay. All right. So let's just go ahead and let's learn and make money. People that's taking the course are making money every day. All right. All right. Good people. I love you guys. We will see you later today. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Make sure you check out the links below.